Uploading a reference image can elevate your image generation in a few different ways. Whether you are trying to change the art style of an image or looking to add or remove specific elements, a reference image gives the AI a perfect starting point. The easiest way to add a reference is by using the image source node. This allows you to upload an image directly from your device, select one from your library of past generations, or choose an external stock photo from Pexels or Unsplash. Another great option is to connect a separate image generation node to act as your reference. This is incredibly useful if you are trying to create a consistent series of images that are closely related to one another. For this tutorial, let's use the image source node to bring in the car image we generated earlier. Now that our reference image is in place, we just need to hook it up to an image generator node. From here, you can use the prompt box to edit the original image, or generate a completely new one based on the source. For example, let's say we want to change the setting of our car image to nighttime. All we need to do is type that into the prompt box, run the node, and the AI will alter the reference image accordingly. Here is one extra tip. If you are connecting multiple reference images into a single node, make sure to explicitly mention each source in your prompt box. This helps the AI clearly understand which elements to take from which image. For instance, you can see here that I am generating a brand new image by using both the car and a separate background as my two reference sources. So, the approach you learned here also works when you want to create different looks, design your own subject, or generate completely new images from your product. We hope this episode helped you understand how to bring your product into the AI workflow using simple reference photos. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.